Set up HP AI on the HP Smart Admin dashboard for the HP Color LaserJet Pro 3000 and 4000 printer series. With HP AI, you can turn scans into ready-to-send emails with smart subject lines, descriptive file names, and summaries in scan emails that save you time and make documents easy to find. We'll show you how to set it up in just a few minutes using the HP Smart Admin dashboard for your LaserJet Pro printer. For now, this feature is available for select HP printers connected in the cloud after November 4, 2025. This HP AI solution is currently available in the United States for English language printing and scanning. On the printer control panel, navigate to the wireless or network settings menu to view the printer IP address. Make a note of this IP address. On your computer, open a web browser and enter the IP address in the URL search field. If a warning message appears, select the option to proceed to the site. Accessing the printer settings site will not harm your computer. Select Connected Printing. Then select Printer Pairing. If prompted for credentials, enter the printer PIN. You can find the PIN in the cartridge access area or by printing a printer status report. If the printer is already paired, you can skip the pairing process and sign into the HP Smart Admin dashboard to enable the HP AI solution. If the status shows as not paired, select Start Pairing. A pairing code displays on the printer control panel. Make note of this code by writing it down or taking a picture of it. Select link in the EWS to proceed to hpsmart.com/connect. If prompted, create a new HP account or sign into your existing account. On the HP Smart Admin welcome page, select Continue. When prompted, enter the pairing code to proceed with onboarding the printer. Follow the remaining instructions to complete the onboarding process. In the Admin Dashboard main menu, select Printers. Then select your printer. Select the Enable option next to Scan Destinations. This removes any existing quick sets. Select Confirm. Select Scan to Email. Add at least one scan to email contact. HP AI scanning is now set up and ready to use.